Well, did you feel this morning's earthquake? I didn't. People in the San Fernando Valley certainly did, except for me.
I didn't feel it either. A lot of people did, though. Magnitude 4.2 aftershocks were centered about 1.5 miles north of San Fernando. A CBS 2's Jasmine Veal reports some people got early warning alerts, others did not.
It was like just a hard boom.
Josh Bashiam, the founder and CEO of Early Warning Labs and Quake Alert, felt the shaking in West Hollywood from this morning's 4.2 earthquake. This is what it looked like at a home in Porter Ranch, followed by a 3.9 aftershock a couple hours later. Bashiam says he was too far away from the shallow quake centered in the San Fernando Valley to get an actual alert on his phone.
Luckily, the threshold was below the alerting threshold for the app, so it was below MMI 3 for where I was.
But thousands of other people did, according to the USGS, which sent out its first alert to its partners 3.6 seconds after the quake. This is what the quake alert looked like on one phone, warning of the shaking in approximately 5 seconds. Another person on Twitter posted that the quake alert app worked for him while some of the other apps did not.
I delivered something in the order of 10,000 alerts to folks in the Southern California region. And so we've gotten some very, very good results.
Since the earthquake was initially recorded as a 4.5, which is the minimum magnitude set for the USGS Shake Alert system, it triggered notifications for those who would feel at least weak shaking or level 3 on the intensity scale.
The Shake Alert system performed exactly as expected.
By late morning, more than 60 aftershocks had been detected.
Yeah, it was a good wake-up call for sure.
And this morning's shaker occurred on the intersection of faults responsible for the 1971 San Fernando earthquake and the 1994 Northridge quake.
This is really the first one we've had in a long while that's been in an urban area. And I think this is a real wake-up call for us all.
Scientists here tell me that the probability of another earthquake happening of the same magnitude or greater over the next month is a 1 in 10 chance. Now that's slightly higher given the rate of these aftershocks. Here in Pasadena, Jasmine Veal, CBS 2 News.